Perfume for Less, Gentle Fluidity Silver. Yan ang ating gagawa ng first impression sa videong ito. Okay, so itong Gentle Fluidity Silver nabili natin from Perfume for Less. Again, ang kanilang store ay nasdyan sa may MRT station, northbound. At meron din silang Facebook page. If interested kayong bumili ng perfume from Perfume for Less, I'll leave a link down below on the comment section. Now, this costs 299 pesos if I remember correctly for a 50 ml bottle. Okay. Bakit ko nga ba binili si Gentle Fluidity Silver? Kasi nag-intriga ako. Ang sabi nila, ito yung pabango na ginagamit ni Joshua Garcia. Okay. Nakakapogi daw siya. So let's go ahead and see kung nakakapogi nga ba ang Gentle Fluidity Silver. Alright. Now, in terms of the presentation, it's a very simple bottle. Medyo squarish siya, or rectangular in shape. Okay. And clear yung bottle all throughout, and then may branding sa harapan. And then maganda sa Perfume for Less, of course, they would put in the version of the perfume that they're imitating, and as well as the concentration. Okay, so this one is 30% concentration. You can also buy 40, 50, or I think up to 60% perfume concentration. Mas mahal nga lang ng konti. Okay. I think it's mostly due to customer preference. Kung gusto niyo bumili ng mga ganong higher concentration, I think the higher the concentration, the better the projection and longevity of the perfume, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so meron siyang black cap. Okay, in terms of the atomizer, black din siya. Okay, so I haven't been able to smell Gentle Fluidity Silver before, so let's go ahead and check on Fragrantica for the main accords and the notes of this perfume. Now, sabi sa Fragrantica, ang main accords is aromatic, fresh, spicy, woody, musky, and powdery. And then in terms of the top notes, we have juniper berries, nutmeg, bergamot, pineapple, coriander, musk, woody notes, cedar, amber, and vanilla for the base notes. Okay, so let's go ahead and do some sprays and let's see kung makikita natin or mahanap natin yung mga nota na yon na sinabi natin kanina. Okay, 2 sprays on my right wrist. Okay, kakaibang amoy ang naamoy natin ngayon. Meron siyang berries, yes. Naamoy mo kagad yung berries, yun yung kanyang pinaka-opening. And then yung bergamot. I'm not sure about nutmeg. Pero yung pineapple, medyo mahina lang yung kanyang pineapple sa part na to. Then, of course, yung base note na musk, naamoy ko siya. Yes. And in terms of woodiness, medyo mahina lang yung kanyang pagka-woody. Not unlike yung ating favorite na perfume na si Creed Aventus. Okay. Or Aventus Creed. Now, when to wear this? It says here, summer and during the daytime, and somehow pwede mo nang gamitin for date nights or when you go outside in the evening. Okay, so yan na muna ating video for today. We'll go ahead and test this perfume for a few days, and I'll let you know how it performs in terms of projection, sillage, and as well as longevity. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, suggestions, and anything that you'd like for me to review, leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!